We have been in business for the last 10 years, and during my service I found the process of organizing a board meeting, preparing reports, making physical copies and circulating it to the directors a tedious and time-consuming process. I started exploring the options to minimize this task, which will help me save time. We found a lot of solutions on the net, but they were very expensive and beyond our budget. That's when we found out and heard about Ijtimati. We were so excited to find the software locally produced in Amman, which met all our requirements and within our budget. I'm very happy to say that the team at Ijtimati was extremely competent and very supportive. We have been using this software for the last 2 years and we have had absolutely no issues, no problems. And we are happy to recommend this software to any potential users anywhere in the world.